Now, our motto, how can do it? First of all, if you see here, if put x is equal to infinitive minus infinity, then we got that is infinitive, and lower part also infinitive. Means we got infinitive by infinitive. So how can do it? You can apply Al-Hospital rule. Otherwise, if you take common x in, then we got 2, 1 plus 3 upon x square divided by x is common, then that is 4 plus 2 upon x. So finally, we put x tends to infinitive here, 2, 1 plus 3 upon x square divided by, that is, if 2 is common, or basically you can write now 4 plus 2 by x. Clear or not? Now, if put x is equal to minus infinitive, then we got 2 under root 1 upon 3 by minus infinitive to whole square whole divided by 4 plus 2 by minus infinitive. Clear or not? So that is 2 under root 1 plus 0 divided by 4, 1 by infinitive, that is 0. So minus 0. So finally 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2 is the right answer. If in doubt, then comment it. Okay.